Let's now talk about the sweep cut feature. So sweep cut feature is kind of like sweep feature, but in this case, instead of adding materials, it will remove it from existing part. So here I'll use this part as a reference, and as you can see in this part, we have this sketch and this one, and I'm going to use these two sketches for removing material from this. So let's go to sweep cut, which is on this features tab. And once again, we have similar kind of options here. So I'll select a sketch profile, and this is the profile which we need to select. Then the next is path. So for the path, once again, I'm going to use the selection manager. So right click, selection manager, click here, and then click on this tangent propagation. So all these paths which are tangent are selected. Click OK. And there we are. We've got this thing selected. And now if you click OK with this, you'll get this kind of sweep cut. Now let's do it again for this circle. So once again, I'll go to sweep cut. Sketch profile is this one, and the path. So once again, right click and selection manager. Make sure you have this select group selected here and select a path. So in this case, again, I'm going to select this path and tangent propagation. Or you can also select this path. I guess it will be better if we select this path instead of this one, because this path is just created because of the sweep cut. And this one is kind of a permanent path. So I'm just going to cancel this out, and I'll make a selection for path one more time. So selection manager, this path, and tangent propagation, click OK. And there we are. It will remove material as if we are creating a fillet here. Okay, so with that, I'll click OK, and we have a sweep cut. So it's kind of like a fillet, but we also have this tiny gap here. So that's our sweep cut feature. Now there is one more thing in sweep cut. Now in the previous examples so far, we have used this sweep feature to create or remove geometries using sketches. But in sweep cut feature, you can even use 3D solids for removing objects. So let's go to this second drawing. So I'll go to window, sweep cut B. All right. And here we'll use these two bodies now. So this one is, as you can see, a different body. So we now have two bodies here. This body is created with revolve tool, and you need to ensure that you are making this body with revolve tool for creating a sweep cut. And then we have this body where we'll cut the geometry. So let's go to sweep cut, and we have a new option here called solid profile. Let's select that. Now we just need to select the body. So this is the tool body, and then we have the path. This is the path. All right, these two are now selected. So with these two selected, you will see the preview if it is active in options. So I'll go to options and activate show preview. All right, and you can see the preview as well. If you click OK, now you'll have this kind of clean cut here. So as you can see, we've got this profile here. One of the advantages of this kind of sweep cut is this filleted feature at the end. So it is as if it's been cut using the tool path of the CNC machine. So it will also use that tool path as a reference. So if I just go back one step, and if I show you this endpoint, let me just show you that. So I'll just go to this boss extrude, I'll hide it. You'll see that it has this kind of filleted tool path, and that's what it is using as a reference. So the starting and end point of the sweep cut will have this kind of filleted cut. So once again, I'll just activate it, and you can use this to cut away geometries. Finally, you can also use circular profile for creating sweep cuts. So go to sweep cut, and here we have the circular profile. Now, if you want to select a path, just select it, and it will create this kind of circular profile. Once again, if you want to select a larger profile, then you can use this selection manager. So go to selection manager, and once again, I'm going to select this tangent propagation. So all the loops are selected here, and with that, I'll click OK. And we have got this kind of clean circular cut. Of course, you can change the radii here. So maybe let's make it 6. Click OK. And here we are. We have got this sweep cut. So in this case, we did not use any kind of a sketch profile, and we created this kind of cut using this sweep feature.